Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mediapad T5, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. To get started, you want to pull down your notifications and toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so. I'm going to swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those should be the Do Not Disturb toggle. It should be added by default, so you wouldn't need to really add it, but if you don't see it here for some reason, you can tap on this pencil icon right over here, and then if it's visible somewhere here, which it should, you just grab it and then move it over, drop it, and when you go back, this toggle will be accessible to you. But anyway, going back to the Do Not Disturb toggle, once you see it, press on it. I'm gonna select Enable, and that's it. It's now enabled. Once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will then turn it off. And additionally, you can hold it and this will take you to the settings, but this is Huawei, so there's almost no settings. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.